Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Kingston Cataraqui River East is a residential area in the eastern part of Kingston, located near the Cataraqui River as it flows south toward Lake Ontario. The neighborhood is known for its quiet streets, older homes, apartment buildings, schools, and easy access to the waterfront. The Cataraqui River itself has shaped the growth of Kingston for centuries, serving as an important transportation route long before modern roads and highways were built. Today, the area combines residential living with nearby parks, trails, and access to the downtown waterfront. The Cataraqui River East area is closely connected to Kingston's harbor and historic core. Residents are only minutes from downtown Kingston, City Hall, and the waterfront along Confederation Basin. This location gives the neighborhood a balance between quieter residential life and the energy of the city center. The harbor area remains one of the most recognizable parts of Kingston, filled with marinas, tour boats, restaurants, and public gathering spaces during the warmer months of the year. Much of the development in Kingston Cataraqui River East took place during the 20th century as the city expanded beyond its original downtown core. New residential streets, schools, and businesses were built to support Kingston's growing population. Many homes in the area date from the 1950s through the 1970s, reflecting the post-war suburban expansion seen across much of Canada. Over time, the neighborhood became home to a mix of working families, students, retirees, and military personnel connected to Kingston's local institutions. One of the defining features of the area is its connection to the waterfront. Trails and parks along the Cataraqui River provide views of the water and access to outdoor recreation throughout the year. In the summer, boats travel through the harbor and nearby Rideau Canal system, while the colder months bring a quieter atmosphere to the shoreline. The neighborhood's proximity to Kingston's downtown also makes it easy for residents and visitors to explore local shops, historic sites, and cultural events without traveling far. Kingston is one of Ontario's oldest cities and has a long and important history in Canada. Located where Lake Ontario meets the St. Lawrence River, Kingston became a strategic settlement because of its position between the Great Lakes and the Atlantic trade routes. Indigenous peoples lived and traveled through this area for thousands of years before European settlement began. French traders and explorers arrived during the 17th century, followed later by British military and colonial development. In 1841, Kingston briefly served as the first capital of the province of Canada. Although the capital later moved to other cities, Kingston remained politically and militarily important. Fort Henry, located on a hill overlooking the water, was built to defend the region during tensions between Britain and the United States. Today, Fort Henry is one of Kingston's best-known historic sites and a major tourist attraction recognized as part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Kingston is often called the Limestone City because many of its historic buildings were constructed using local limestone. Throughout downtown Kingston, visitors can still see 19th century architecture in churches, government buildings, homes, and commercial streets. Landmarks such as Kingston City Hall and the Waterfront District reflect the city's long connection to politics, trade, and military history. This historic character gives Kingston a different atmosphere compared with many newer Ontario cities. The city has a population of more than 130,000 people, with the larger metropolitan area continuing to grow steadily. Kingston's economy is supported by education, healthcare, government services, tourism, and military activity. Canadian Forces Base Kingston remains one of the city's major employers, while Queen's University contributes significantly to research, culture, and local business activity. The city also attracts visitors year-round because of its waterfront location and historical attractions. Tourism plays an important role in Kingston's identity. During the warmer months, visitors explore the downtown waterfront, take cruises through the Thousand Islands region, and attend festivals and cultural events throughout the city. Kingston is also known for its restaurants, public markets, museums, and live music scene. The city combines a relaxed, small city atmosphere with many of the cultural features usually associated with larger urban centers. Kingston's location on Lake Ontario has shaped daily life here for centuries. Harbors, marinas, and waterfront parks remain central parts of the community. In the summer, boating and sailing are especially popular, while winter brings a quieter pace to the shoreline. Across every season, Kingston balances its military history, educational institutions, natural landscapes, and growing suburban neighborhoods, creating a city that continues to evolve while remaining closely connected to its past. for watching!